Hi, today Nikki and I are going to tell you how to apply a smart facade to your building, in particular, louvers. Facades are deemed smart when it adapts to environmental conditions and transforms itself simultaneously. Usually, the transformation is focused around sunlight and its patterns. Louvers adapt to a specific building's orientation and sun shading needs, which ranges based on orientation and time of day and year. Louvers can be used in many ways on any type of building, vertical, horizontal, as panels, and as a design driver.
In this video, we will show you how to design horizontal parametric louvers in Revit that can be customized to fit most building designs. You will want to create a new wall in your project file and use the default storefront glazing for it. Then you'll want to go into 3D view to be able to see it better. Once in 3D view, you will want to edit the wall type and duplicate it. Rename it to something along the lines of louvers so you can easily find it later. Once you've done that, you will want to turn off your vertical components. Under vertical mullions, choose none for the interior type. You can do this on horizontal if you're designing them vertically. You'll want to get rid of these glass pane lines as well. After that, you need to change your horizontal grid layout to maximum spacing and can adjust the distance between each louver to fit your own needs. In my case, I'll make it 1.5 feet apart. And finally, you will want to turn off the glass by choosing the Empty System panel under the Curtain Panel setting. Now that you have set up the frame, you will want to create a new family, specifically a Profile Mullion family. A default file will open and you will draw in a two-dimensional version of what you want your louver to look like, and that profile will automatically get extruded out later. This can be simply done by using the arc tool and mirroring it over. You can then fillet the ends to make for a smoother edge on both sides. Once you've done that, you will want to go to the File Save As option, not the Save option, and name it Louver 0. After you save it, you will want to press Load in a Project so it's in the same project you're working in before. You can then go and adjust the angle you want the louver to be at and create multiple options of angles to use later. For this video, I created a 0, 15, 30, and 45 degree louver so I can choose which one I want to use and when. You have to go through the same process of saving as and then loading into the project. After your desired louvers have been loaded in, you will go under Families, find Curtain Wall Mullions, and create a new type of circular mullion. You will name this based on how you named your louvers. You will then right-click into Type Properties and change the profile to the respective louver family. I'll go ahead and do that for all of the different louvers I have created. In the final step, you will simply go to Edit Type again on your existing frame and change the interior type of horizontal mullion to whichever louver type you plan on using. For my example, I use the 30-degree louvers I created. Since this design is parametric, you can go through and change everything about the louvers and they will automatically update for those conditions. You can resize vertically and horizontally, add additional vertical components if you want, or even create odd shapes to fit irregular parts on your building. To apply the louvers to your building, you will simply go to the floor view where you want to add them and draw it in like any other component. You will now have a separate component specifically for louvers that is fully adjustable for any facade. And that is how you can apply louvers to your own building design.